Want to create a TikTok video with your own soundtrack instead of one of the songs provided within the app? We'll show you how. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to add your own sound or music to your TikTok videos. Now let's get started. You can do this in two different ways. The easiest way is to play the sound or music out loud while you're recording your TikTok video. Start playing the track you'd like to use out loud. Then begin recording your video. Don't add any sounds from TikTok's library, and you'll be able to keep the original sound recorded with your video. The other option is to use a video editing app to add music. A great free option is InShot Video Editor. It's available on both iPhone and Android devices. Download the InShot app. Record a video using your device's camera app. Then open InShot and select Video. Select the video you want to edit, then tap the green check mark. To add music to your video, tap the music note icon in the bottom menu. Tap Tracks. Here you can choose a song from InShot's library or select one you have stored on your device. Tap a song to preview it. To add it to your video, tap Use. To adjust the part of the song that will play on your video, tap the purple track. Then select Edit. Move the left marker to the point where you'd like the music to start, and the right one to where you want it to end. Tap the check mark to save. To mute the original audio of the video you're editing, tap the video track, then slide the volume down to 0. Tap the play button to preview your video. If you're happy with it, tap the check mark. To save your video, tap the share button in the top right corner. Then tap Save. The video will be saved to your device's camera roll. You can then open TikTok and upload the video from your device and post as you normally would. That's all it takes to add your own music or sound to a TikTok video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.